Some days, comfort tastes like a simple bowl of dal, warm, light, and full of love. In the last video, we explored dal the Arabic way, rich, fragrant, and spiced differently. But today, we are keeping it close to home. This is musuri, our humble yellow dal. On busy days when I don't want to spend hours in kitchen, this dal always saves me. It's quick, it's simple, yet it never fails to comfort.